Hello everyone. In today's video, let us check how to know your private IP address and the public IP address of your laptop or desktop. To know your private IP address, you can navigate to command prompt, open a command prompt and type ipconfig and press enter. It will provide you the private IP address of your machine. I'll be masking my private IP address because for the security purpose. Now let us check how to get the public IP address. To check the public IP address of your machine, you can use various methods depending on the operating system and the tools available. Here are few common methods I can share with you. First thing, again through the command prompt, you can check the public IP address of your machine. Open a command prompt and type lookup space myip dot opendns.com space resolver 1 dot opendns.com. So this command will provide you the public IP address of your laptop or desktop. So let us check it out that. I'm going to copy the command and paste it in the command prompt and click enter. So this command will provide you the public IP address of your machine. I'm again masking the public IP address here for the security purpose. The second method is nothing but through the website. You can either go to www.whatismyip.com or whatismyipaddress.com. Both the sites will provide you the public IP address of your machine. So I have chosen Google Chrome as a browser and I have typed https space full colon double forward slash www.whatismyip.com. So in this site, when you click enter, it will show my public IPv4 address is, it will display there. At the same time, if you go to the other site, whatismyipaddress.com, even that particular site will provide you the public IP address of your machine. And the third method is using the router configuration. If you have access to the router configuration, you can usually find the public IP address there. Log into your router's admin panel and look for WAN or internet status or connection information. There you can find the public IP address of your machine allocated at that particular moment. Remember, the public IP address can change if you are using dynamic IP address provided by your ISP. So that's it for now. We'll meet you in another video. Goodbye.